Hey guys, Paul Messina, originating branch manager, Canopy Mortgage, Great Falls, Montana. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's talk about this question that everyone's starting to ask. Is AI going to change the way that homes are bought and sold? Is it going to change the way that lenders do business? The short answer is yes, but maybe not in the way that you think. So, yes, AI is speeding things up for us. We're seeing platforms that can find homes, crunch numbers, write offers, run loan numbers, check loan guidelines, pre-qualify folks, all without an agent, all without a loan officer having to sit down and crunch the numbers. It's changing how buyers and borrowers are shopping, and it's definitely shaking up the traditional commission model on both ends. But here's what AI will never be able to replace: experiencing and navigating complex deals, coming up with really creative structures to make a deal work, whether it's figuring out a way to factor in repairs, figuring out debt to income ratio issues, having that local market knowledge, and the emotional side of home buying. Human negotiation is another area where it's not going to replace your real estate agent or your loan officer. Sure, there's some coaching programs out there that help with objections and help structure language so that it's more easily received. And those are all tools, but that's all these are, just another tool in the toolbox. Most buyers and borrowers still want someone that's been through all the highs and lows and can guide them through what can sometimes be a really messy middle. Where does the tech help most? It's really in the prep and the process. It helps us with faster pre-approvals. My new platform with Canopy here, I can bust a pre-approval out in about 15 to 20 minutes if the file is clean. So much easier than crunching these numbers by hand. Better loan strategies when we start running into problems with DTI or value doesn't come in. We've got ways that we can restructure the deal, and AI and tech help us do that much more quickly. And it also helps us make smarter decisions, whether it's a risk analysis or whether it's finding another program for somebody that needs something that's better for their needs. If your lender or agent isn't using this tech, then you as the client or the borrower are probably missing out. The future of real estate is part digital, part personal, but all heart. The tech can get you to the table, but the human side still gets the deal closed. If you want to see what a tech-powered mortgage strategy actually looks like, send me a DM. I'll show you how I'm using AI with expert guidance to make smarter home buying moves. Again, I'm Paul Messina, originating branch manager, Army veteran, Canopy Mortgage here in Great Falls. I look forward to hearing with you guys soon. Thank you so much.